Hi everyone, it's Carrie with King Concoctions, back to make soap for Soapmas. Wasn't able to do 12 days, but I'm going to do 5 days of Soapmas. 5 is the best part of the song anyways, right? So for the next 5 days, you're going to get 5 videos about the 5 soaps that I made my family for Christmas. This first video is also going to feature my mold and the fragrances I plan on using for the next 5 videos. But as always, all the videos will have all the supplies I used in the description box below, including the mold, the fragrances, the colorants, and all that. You'll also find links to my social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And finally, if you want to support my channel and make sure I keep stocked in supplies and maybe buy a new cutter, there's also a link to my Ko-fi page. Thanks so much. Alright, let's make some soap. So today I'm making my Christmas presents for the year. I am making 5 different types of soap. Here you can see the fragrance oils. So cotton tree, cucumber mint, fruit slices, black sea, and Merry mistletoe. They're all from Candle Science. They're all 1 ounce samples that I purchased recently during their sample sale. This is my Custom Craft Tools 15 bar mold. I've lined it with parchment paper because I am making 5 skinny tiny loaves, kind of what I would be making if I were to make samples of a soap. So each one is going to be about an inch or a quarter of an inch, and I'm hoping to get maybe 9 to 10 out of each loaf. I tried to pick a variety of scents that I thought everybody in my life might like. And just to show you what I've done here with the dividers have little slots in them, and all I've done is I've taken Glad press and peel and I've wrapped it around to try and close those off. I think it'll work out really well, or it might not. We'll see. Last time I tried to do this with the divided mold, we had a little bit of leakage, but that's alright. I don't mind too much. It should be okay. So I am going to start setup, and please enjoy the video. Okay, for the first loaf, I am making cotton tree. These all have been formulated so that they all take 1 ounce of fragrance, since that's all I have anyways. So cotton tree is just going to be white, so I just have some titanium dioxide here in a little cup. I'm going to add it straight to my oils since I'm not doing anything else when it comes to my colorant for this loaf. I had people ask me how much titanium dioxide I use, especially when it comes to my piping, and the answer is enough to make it white. But this is oil soluble titanium dioxide. And here you can see right now it's made my oils a really creamy color. By the time I add the titanium dioxide, by the time I add the lye water, it should turn it just plain white. If not, I'm happy with this pretty cream color. I am soaping with the least amount of lye water you can get away with according to the internet. So this is a 40% concentration. That means 1, it should come to trace very quickly, and 2, it should set up hard a lot faster. This would be a very steep water discount. And I have never done it before, so we are going to find out together how horrible an idea it is. Hopefully the fragrance oil doesn't do anything wacky. I'm a little bit nervous. The reason I'm using such a steep water discount is because it is past the point of a month, like Christmas is in 3 weeks or so, and I need these to set up for my gifts. So we're just gonna get right to it. I've also added some sodium lactate to this. I am very serious about getting these bars to set up fast. Time to buzz this up. So it did stay creamy white, and that's okay with me. So I'm just going to add my fragrance oil. Hopefully things don't go crazy. Just stirring this in. Okay, there we go. I was kind of waiting for it to thicken up a little bit because I was kind of worried about how fluid it was. Did I measure my lye right? But yep, there we go. That's better. So I'm going to bring my mold over here, and I am aware that you all might have trouble seeing this completely, but we will do our best. Alright, so this is my first channel. I'm just going to pour it right in. Ooh, we're getting thick. I'm aware my hands might be in the way, so I apologize. I wasn't sure I was gonna like this cotton tree scent, but man, makes a very clean smelling spa kind of bar. Kind of work it into the sides here. turn it this way so I can get a good look at it. I think I'm just going to run this pipette down the side here, just to give it a little bit of texture. There we go. And that is the cotton tree soap. This is the cotton tree, and I'm just gonna start start cutting it. No, shit. Just pure little white sampley bars for my friends and family. I'm not going to cut all of the cotton tree on camera, but I will cut a couple of bars so you can see them. Since there's just going to be white all the way through. They're very, very firm. At least this one is. So, that's what that one looks like. Just nice little hunks of soap. And that's the last bar. That's what the top looks like. They're all solid all the way through. I also ended up with a tiny little sliver. Alright, on to the next one. And that's the first soap for Soapmas. Pretty simple soap, but I really like how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.